Let mama see it. Get to mama. Exactly. Wanted to show you guys my new obsession. These hibiscus are so stunning. Over here. Good paw. Give mama a paw. Hudson. Hudson. First, let's clean your eyes. Come on. Get closer to mama. Get closer to mama. Thank you. Sit. Give mama a paw. Good paw, Boozies. Good paw. Other paw. Good paw. Good paw. The back paw. Thank you for the back paw. And this one. Thank you for this one. And the booty. We're done. Okay. Thank you, Jesus, for today's meal. Thank you for mama. Thank you for daddy. Thank you for my patapoozis. Thank you for my pool. Thank you for our house. Thank you for my backyard. In Jesus' name. Amen. Good morning. Oh my God, this just brought me back to when we first got the house and I filmed in this exact corner. So crazy. Today I actually have planned a nice little outdoor vlog for you guys, trying to enjoy the last bits of summer. However, Mother Nature had other plans for us today because it is a gloomy, rainy day today. So we're just gonna spend it inside. I had a slow morning with Hudson outside like you guys saw, and then it just started raining out of nowhere. So we're gonna spend it inside and do a few things in here. I actually just got a package in from Quince, so let's go upstairs and do a little haul. This portion of the video is sponsored by Quince, which I'm so excited about because if you guys watched one of my last videos, I went ahead and decluttered my entire closet. I basically got rid of 60% of my clothes, not even exaggerating. So I've been on the hunt for good quality pieces that are sustainable at an affordable price and staple pieces that feel good and look good. I've actually gotten a few pieces from Quince before and I genuinely love them so much. Like this right here, I've had this for I think 2 years now and it's in pristine condition. Like literally still intact, looks brand new, and it's one of my favorite cardigans. It's just chef's kiss. So I went ahead and placed an order on some of their staple pieces, starting with this dress, which I'm already obsessed. This is definitely the style that I've been gravitating towards, just comfortable, easy to throw on. You can definitely style this up and down. It has pockets, so already a win. And I love the sleeves. They're like a little flowy structure sleeve. This cinches really nicely in the waist area, but it's also very stretchy. And actually, you can totally wear it like this, but for now, I'm gonna wear it like that. I'm going to move the camera to show you guys the length. This is 100% organic cotton, and it just feels and looks so beautiful. I love, love, love the length. This dress actually comes in 14 different colors, which I love. You can totally wear this in the spring, summer, fall, and even going into winter, depending on how you style it, like with boots, tights, or a sweater. Which, speaking of, I went ahead and ordered this cropped cardigan with buttons. It is knitted and 100% cotton again. This actually retails for $138 due to the quality and the material. I also really love how transparent they are with their pricing, but with Quince, you actually save 64% basically, and you can get this for $49. It also comes in different colors, but I got it to basically wear this at the end of the summer going into the fall. Just like drape it over your shoulders like this. You can also tie it like this, but I personally actually love the drape look. Another way that you can style this outfit is with these shoes. Quince, let me tell you, they actually have so many different things on their site. They even have home decor, shoes, accessories, clothes, you name it. So I went ahead and got these flats. First of all, the color, I love, love, love. These come in different colors as well. They are Italian leather, and this part right here is like a little deeper than your standard flat. This is what they look like. Now, last accessory to finish styling this outfit, I went ahead and got what has to be my favorite fall 2025 piece. I love that it actually comes with a duster bag. Ta-da! I went ahead and got this Italian leather slouchy shoulder bag. This is going to be my go-to for the fall. This actually is back in stock, is one of their best sellers, obviously for a reason. I love that it has this little zipper here, a magnetic clasp, and it seems like it's gonna fit so much in here. It seems like one of those Mary Poppins bags that is going to fit so much in here. So definitely going to be my go-to. All right, moving on to the rest of the pieces. This one is a stunning burgundy satin dress. It's actually 100% silk. I think this is going to be perfect for a wedding that we have coming up in September for the rehearsal dinner. All right, this is what it looks like. I feel like it's so flattering. I love the color. It also comes in different colors, but I love this burgundy and the neck detail. And then last but not least are two other staple pieces in any closet, which is a white button down and a black maxi skirt. These are both 100% cotton. All right, this is what it looks like. If you work at an office, I feel like this is such a perfect outfit. And to accessorize it and give it a little bit more pizzazz, I'm going to add this black belt. You can also add some loafers and finish it with a black bag. And then if you want to dress it up, you can put on some heels. And I feel like that's perfect. Oh my God, it just got better. I found pockets. I love it. I almost forgot, I also got another pair of flats for all year round, but mainly for the fall time. This is what they look like. The most perfect nude color. I'm obsessed. I feel like these actually will look perfect with this outfit as well. That's what these look like. Like I mentioned on my decluttering video, I seriously feel that having a simpler closet with high quality pieces is the way to go. And Quince to me is one of those brands that will bring quality, versatility, while also staying affordable. So if you're also in the stage that you're looking for a brand that is sustainable and uses organic materials, you're really going to like Quince. There's something about their fabric and fit that is so flattering to me. And I love pieces that I can pair together or separately, like for example, the white button down, same with the black skirt, also the dress. So definitely check the links down below. Also, another thing that I really love about Quince is that they actually have a 365 days return policy. So you really have nothing to lose. That being said, let's continue with the vlog. I really want to tackle the photo albums that I shared in my hobbies video. That way I can give it to my mom and my grandfather really soon. So let's get to doing that first. All right, so like you guys saw, it is a gloomy day today, but my flowers are definitely bringing me joy today. However, I am going to be moving this because I decided that I'm going to be tackling one of my to-do lists, which is switching my grandfather's old photos and old photo albums into a new one. I got this one to replace these three. I don't know if it's all going to fit in one. I have a few others of these, but for now I'm going to start with one. And then I also have these loose ones. All right, so I shared in one of my previous vlogs how my grandfather used to be a photographer or had a passion for photos, which is where I feel I get mine. And he also had a crazy garden, like a vivero. So I don't know, I feel like that's definitely where I get my passion for plants and photos. Oh my god. I look so much like my aunt. It's so funny. This is going to be really hard because I honestly don't know the years of these. I really wanted to put them by order. It doesn't have any baby pictures, so I can't start there. These are so freaking. I also mentioned how a lot of the pictures that he had from his photography years were damaged due to a flood. So I might try to take it somewhere and see if they can fix it. I feel like I'm gonna have to sit with him and ask where these photos were taken. He even has sunset pictures. Oh my god, I think that's me. Not me trying to like zoom in. I really wish these had dates in the back. Now my grandfather's saying that he's never smoked a cigar, and there's an actual picture of him. This is from 1962, 1961. All right, I took as many as I could out of the albums. They're a little like damaged, and I'm trying to see if I should try to get them fixed. I remember my mom was able to fix her like wedding photo once. That one was really damaged though. But now that I look at the photo, these actually don't even fit in this album. I think I have an album upstairs. All right, so I actually forgot that I also have this album. I just wish it was bigger because, as you can tell, this one is significantly bigger, but yeah. But the difference is that for this one, you can just like freeform and cover it back with the sleeve, kind of like the ones that he originally had. All right, we're gonna pivot. We're gonna pivot because I ended up finding this exact album, but a lot bigger with more pages, 120 pages. And I think this is just 60, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to basically put all of my grandfather's photos in here and do that whenever I get that album later this week. Something else that I've been wanting to do as well is doing the same with my mom's photos. She basically gave me her memorabilia luggage, which has so many photos of us growing up. So I figured as I wait for that album and continuing later this week, I'll start with my mom's pictures. Hudson! So, for my mom's pictures, it's actually going to be a lot easier because she already has pretty much everything in albums. As you can see, my mom actually has this box full of loose photos, but it's actually falling apart, so I went ahead and got her another one to replace it with. Out of here. Oh my god, there's actually so many pictures. Seriously, so many photos. This is crazy. And I think the best way to do this is going to be to divide it by person, because she actually has like an album for me, an album for her, and an album for my brother.
Very own douche deluge.
Oh my god, yeah.
Douche deluge.
Douche deluge.
Dolce de leche. Adesso ho scomodato zero.
Como?
Dolce de leche.
No.
Dolce de leche?
Sí. What is it? Do you need some caresses or something? What is it? Do you need some caresses or something? Mama loves you more than Daddy.